So we've been having rain for like a day and a half straight. Like basically as soon as my Varroa mite treatment came in the mail, it started raining and it hasn't stopped until now. So we have a little break in the weather, but it's still a little bit gloomy clouds in one direction. So the bees are probably going to be a little grumpy, but I'm hoping they're happy to be getting out of the hive because they've been cooped up and maybe they won't be too bad. But it's supposed to rain all week, so I need to get this Varroa mite treatment in the hive. I'm going to do all 3 hives, even though I only tested hive 2 because I have given brood from this hive to both the other hives, which means they probably have mites too. So I'm using this treatment. It's called HopGuard 3. It is not my first choice. The reason I chose this one is there's only a couple that are okay to use when you have honey supers on because it doesn't transfer to the honey. It's not a chemical, it's natural. And we do have honey supers on this hive, and I figured if I'm going to buy a treatment, I might as well just use it on all of them so I don't waste any. However, this one does not penetrate the brood, so you have to treat a couple of rounds to get the mites. So these will stay in for 2 weeks, and then in 2 weeks I will switch them out for a new batch. The reason I picked this one, even though it wasn't my first choice, is because it's okay to use in high temperatures, and we have been having temperatures in like the high 90s for a while. Now it actually cooled off with all this rain, but it is summer and it is Florida, so I kind of felt like I needed to go with this. So this is what I have, and this is what we're gonna go with. It's very messy, so I'm using these gloves today. So basically, I'm gonna start with this hive, which I thought about starting with hive 3 and making my life easier, but I think I'm gonna go from hardest to easiest. The bees are, I don't know if you can see, just starting to come out for the morning because the sun has kind of come out for a little break in the rain. So I'm going to just pop the honey supers off. You put this in the brood chambers. So you put 2 strips in each brood chamber, and that's that. So we're going to give this a go. I'm really hoping I don't get stung through these gloves. And it's really humid out, so putting these on is not really that easy. However, everything I've seen online shows that this HopGuard 3 is like super messy, so I think I need these. This part will probably be sped up. There's one, sort of. It's not very comfortable. These are thicker than regular rubber gloves. It's like a heavy duty, so maybe if I do get stung it won't be as bad as if I had just normal rubber gloves on. Oh man, this makes me want to just use my bare hands, honestly. Okay. I had my smoker going real good and kind of died down. Okay. If I'm really feeling motivated, I might update some beetle traps in here too, but we'll see how grumpy or not the bees are. Come on guys, the sun's out. I doubt they've done much in here because it's been raining. Let's just peek. Probably not my best decision since I'm not wearing my normal gloves. All right, maybe we won't peek right now. All right. I don't have any beetle traps in here either. What did I do? I guess I've been taking them out and not putting them back in. I'm gonna have to do that. So let's do that first before I get my hands all sticky. So I'm gonna put 2 of these in this box and 2 in the upper box once I put it back on. Yeah, I'm a little more, it's silly, but I'm a little more nervous than usual because of my hands being more exposed. And I've been stung on my hand through a thicker glove, so not crazy about getting stung through these gloves. They do seem mostly okay though. I was afraid they were going to be real grouchy because of it's cloudy. I really hope it doesn't start raining again while I'm doing this. Alright, so messy stuff here. So basically, these are cardboard strips with the treatment on them. And you just hang it over the frame, 2 in each brood box. Alright guys, girls. Oh, getting grumpy now. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go like here. So basically the bees don't really like this stuff, so they will work hard to clean it out. And when they're doing that, they spread it around and kill mites. So you leave these in for, I know, 2 weeks. Little bees. 2 weeks, and then the you do it again. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing in this box. I'm going to do beetle traps, and I'm getting stuff all over the box. Hopefully the bees will, or the rain will clear that off. Okay, so that's it for that hive. Okay. Gonna move on to hive 1. Okay, so in here, I need to switch out the green frame because I didn't get to this hive over the weekend when we were supposed to. I doubt they've done much on it. We'll see. But I want to keep all 3 hives on the same schedule. I'm going to put fresh beetle traps in here and a mite treatment, 2 in each brood chamber. These bees aren't quite as awake yet as the other ones. The sky is getting really gloomy again, and I don't like it. Looked in here since we put the second brood chamber on. It looks like they're building it out quite a bit. Let me get some beetle traps ready. Yeah, I'm not really pulling frames today because, like I said, it's pretty overcast out. It was sunny when I started, but it's gotten all overcast again, and it's probably gonna start raining again any second, so I don't want to make these guys any grumpier than they are. So, here we go. I am going to pull the screen frame out because I have to swap it. There, guys. Yeah, we haven't done much on here, but okay. Well, this one I painted wax on, so they might draw it out faster. Right, on to Hive 3. Well, hopefully this will be the easiest one. Interesting, they're all gathered in a couple of spots here. I'm just gonna pull. I really shouldn't do this because it's gonna make them grumpier, but I kind of want to see if this queen is laying. What did I do here? This is all like empty frames in the middle, and then I don't know. Last time I checked in here after we put paint all over this queen, she was walking around in the bottom. I did see eggs, but I'm not convinced that she's okay. So I would kind of like to see eggs again. Yeah, these guys are not happy right now. Oh, there's larvae and eggs. Okay. Oh, good. Alright. Well then. Not gonna worry too much. Okay. Angry bees. Yes, it's about to rain. I'm messing up their organization here. They don't like it. Sorry guys. Alright, well I'm happy she's still laying. Didn't see her, but I saw eggs, so that's good. Okay. Well. looking good.